Get ready for a groundbreaking experience in pediatric medicine. The 18th SEHA International Pediatric Congress is just around the corner, and we're thrilled to extend our warmest invitation to you.
Join us from the 16th to the 18th of February 2024, at the luxurious Conrad Abu Dhabi Etihad Towers, nestled in the heart of the vibrant city of Abu Dhabi, UAE.
The Congress is structured around two specialized conferences: the Pediatric Conference and the Pediatric Urology Minimal Invasive Conference. Renowned pediatric experts will take the stage to share the latest updates in managing and diagnosing common pediatric diseases and disorders.
This is your opportunity to stay at the forefront of this active scientific field. Accredited for 20.5 European CME credits by the European Accreditation Council for Continuing Medical Education.
Don't miss out on this chance to be part of the future of pediatric medicine. Register now for the 18th SEHA International Pediatric Congress, where knowledge meets compassion, and innovation meets care.